Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is another video of English speaking practice. But I thought that why not to start with some important topics like, but before that, if you are new here, then do subscribe this channel first. Okay, because on this channel you will get some you know information which will help you, that is going to help you in the future. And also I'll be sharing with you that how I have improved my English, right? So if here are lots of mosquitoes, you know the window was open and all the mosquitoes have come inside the room. And yes, what I was telling you today, at this moment, I am 27 years old, right? I am a married woman and also going to be a new mom. So, congratulated me, right? So, you know what? Today, I want to tell you something that some mistakes that I made in my past, and I want you not to do those mistakes, okay? If you are in your, you know, if you are in your 20s or around like 25 years, so I want you to focus on, like, there is no matter why am I saying this, because I have made some mistakes, and definitely everyone should learn from others mistakes, right? So here I'm telling you the truth. When I was in school, I thought lots of things, and I was dreaming a good life, a good education. I mean, I'm not saying that I didn't get it, but still, what was I thinking at that time? I did not work for it. I did not work for that, okay? And today, when years passed away, and I am realizing it now that why I was not working on that. Why didn't I work on that? Like, as you know, I was thinking about a good job or a good physique, mentally fitness and everything. But I never, ever worked on it. So I would say that we now for us, especially for the girls, if you are going to get married to someone, I know that you can do after that too, but if you are a successful girl before your marriage, before getting married, then it would be a bonus. It would be a bonus point for you, or you can understand what I am trying to say, okay? Because after marriage, after getting married, you will be struggling. You will be struggling. I must say, you will be struggling with lots of trouble. You will have to fight for your work, for your dreams and whatever, because you all know that after marriage, how your family members wants you to be. But I'm not saying that is wrong, but yeah, if you work on yourself before, and if you get everything what I know that this is a life and everything will take time, okay? But definitely you should work first on yourself, right? First on yourself, on your career, or whatever you want in your life. Do, okay? Don't chase people in this life, in this time, at this age. If you are in your college days, if you are in your school days, don't chase people, don't chase love. I would like to share with you. Yeah, I know I got married and it was an love marriage, but आई वुड से कि अगर पहले सब कुछ मतलब अपने करियर पे फोकस करके अपने आप पे फोकस करके इफ़ यू गेट एवरीथिंग लाइक व्हाट यू वांट देन इट विल बी मोर easier for you to adjust in the family, and everyone will accept you like what the way you are. But if you are not doing anything, if you haven't get your job yet and you got married, then it will be more difficult for you to fight for your work, because you have to be adjust in every situation like in a family. Okay, so do work on your physique, do work on your career, do work on your whatever you want. So no matter how hard work you have to do, just do it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you, because I did not work for it, so I am struggling right now. But if you will work, you will not struggle later, right? So this was actually my speaking practice, but I thought that just share some informational, yeah, or share some information which is going to help you in your future, in your life. Actually, whatever I will be making videos about, all there will be useful content, okay, on my YouTube channel. I don't want to waste your time, I don't want to waste my time, but whatever I wanted to tell you, I just told you. Okay, so now it's your choice that what you want to do in your life, what do you want to get in your life. I am at this age now struggling and now working on myself. But yeah, जब जागो तभी सवेरा, as we all have heard this so many times. So I am not, but yeah, which time has passed, I will always regret that. बट रिग्रेट करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. तो अभी आगे जो भी आने वाला टाइम है, वी कैन improve that. So yeah, this is for the day. I hope you will found some some useful ideas or some useful content from this video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, you can subscribe to my channel and you can join my journey, because this is going to be a self-improvement journey right now, right? So whatever I'll be doing, I'll be sharing with you everything. So I'll meet you in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.